Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Dolphin Cove Limited has advised that Jamaicans Mr. Stafford Burrows and Mr. Stephen Robert Strom have returned as directors effective Tuesday, July 1, 2025. All four Mexican directors were removed from the board of Dolphin Cove on Monday, leaving only the Jamaican directors. In a notice recently posted to the Jamaica Stock Exchange's website, the company said that the four removed from the company's board under Article 94H of its Articles of Incorporation. Under this article, which was used to remove chairman and founder Stafford Burrows after the buyout by the Mexican parent company, a director can be asked by instrument to resign from the board if the owners of more than 51% of the stock deliver this request to the company's registered office for the company secretary's attention. Access Financial Services says its founder, Marcus James, has officially returned from a one-year leave of absence effective Tuesday, July 1. Mr. James will rejoin the boards of both Access Financial Services and its US-based subsidiary, Embassy Loans Incorporated, as an executive director. The company says Michael Shaw will continue to serve as chairman of both entities. For the trading period ending July 2, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Medical supplies distributor R.A. Williams Distributors Limited with 43,954,833 units traded, representing 62.52% of market sales volume. Logistics company Mail Pack Group Limited with 9,047,145 units traded, representing 12.87% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 6,232,708 units traded, representing 8.87% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 2, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $53.20 million purchased and US $54.85 million sold by forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.51, selling the US at $160.37 and buying the US at $158.86. The Canadian dollar netted forex traders $5.94 per transaction, with selling at $118.52 and buying at $112.58. The British pound yielded forex traders $6.21 in profits, with selling at $190.89 and buying at $184.68. For our credit report tip of the day, it is time to put your credit score to work. Every point you've earned on the right credit card gives you access to tools that can lower your expenses, increase your cash flow, and support your wealth goals if you know how to use them. Stop settling for basic benefits when your credit can help you travel better, spend smarter, and build faster. Let's look at some benefits from the right credit card with the right credit score. You get to protect every purchase. From jewelry to tech, purchase protection reimburses you for theft or damage. And that peace of mind, priceless. Cover your phone. Your lifeline to clients and opportunities can be insured. If you use your credit card to buy your phone, if it's lost or broken, you're right back in action. And then you can also tap into price protection. If you spot a price drop on the phone you're interested in, refunds on the difference keeps your funds in your pocket. Now, when you're building something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, your rejection for funding your business idea doesn't mean you're unqualified. It means it's time to realign, repackage, and re-enter with strategy. As a professional woman over the age of 45, you've got experience, insight, and grit. And now it's time to turn that into funding power. This season isn't about proving your worth. It's about positioning your finances so lenders can finally see the value you bring to the table. Here are some ideas. Track your cash flow weekly. If you don't value it, no one else will. Open your business account, even if it's as small as $50. Claim your space. Surround yourself with women who talk about money with power, not fear. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.